Breaking: We will implement Supreme Court's judgment without reservations, Fubara announced to the News Info. Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara has pledged full compliance with the Supreme Court's recent judgment, stating that his administration will implement the ruling without reservations. As part of the implementation, the governor directed all sacked chairmen of the state's 23 local government areas to immediately hand over to the heads of local government administration (HLGAs). Recall that on Friday, February 28, 2025, the Supreme Court, in a ruling delivered by Justice Jamilu Tukur, declared the October 5, 2024 local government elections invalid, nullifying the emergence of 23 chairmen and 319 councillors. The court also recognized Martins Amewule as the legitimate speaker that one dey must me of the Rivers State House of Assembly, alongside 26 other lawmakers as the authentic members of the legislature. Additionally, the Apex Court voided the state budget and ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) and the Accountant General of the Federation to halt further fund disbursement to the Rivers State government until Governor Fubara represents the budget before the duly recognized House of Assembly led by Speaker Amewule. Addressing the state in a broadcast on Sunday, Governor Fubara reaffirmed his commitment to upholding the rule of law and immediately directed heads of local government administrations to take charge of council affairs pending the conduct of fresh elections by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission (RSIEC). Fubara said, "I've had a meeting with my team of lawyers and they have assured me that the certified true copy of the judgment may be available to them by Friday, 7th of March 2025. I assure you that upon the receipt of certified judgments, we shall study their ramifications and implement them without reservations to move the state forward. Furthermore, given the outlawing of caretaker arrangements in the local government system, I hereby direct the heads of personnel management to immediately take over the administration of the 23 local government councils pending the conduct of fresh elections by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission." Okay now. I further direct the outgoing local government chairmen to formally hand over to the levers of power to the head of personnel management by Monday, 3rd March 2025. Fubara said that since its inception, its administration had conducted the affairs of government within the framework of the Constitution, yes, so is always following Constitution, due process, and the rule of law. The governor noted with regret the trying times the state has been plunged into, but urged everyone to remain calm and peacefully go about their legitimate daily activities, and be sure that his administration will continue to do everything in meeting their aspirations. As in, it's been a battleground for him. Like, since he denied this Wike what he wanted, like this, has been back-to-back issues for him. It is well, God will really help him. Fubara said, "We are all aware of the recent Supreme Court judgments and pronouncements regarding aspects of the lingering political disputes in our dear state. Although we disagree with the judgments, we are bound to obey the orders made therein as a law-abiding government. Since inception, we have conducted the affairs of government within the framework of our Constitution, due process, and the rule of law. While we are not above mistakes because we are humans, we believe that we have not, as a government, done anything deliberately to trample on the rule of law." I know. Yes, you have not. Everything that you do is not a deliberate action to actually disobey them and say, "Oh, I want to do my mind." No. Accordingly, I have had meeting with my team of lawyers, and they have assured me that the certified true copy of the judgment may be available to them by Friday, 7th of March 2025. I assure you that upon the receipt of certified judgments, we shall study their ramifications and implement them without reservation to move the state forward. It is well. God will help you. At the Prince says this is what you get when Agbero brought his way to power through judicial rascality. Even his own states, Lagos and Osun, are in turmoil, and he lacked the required wisdom to settle the matter amicably. Now, so is it another state you think he can settle? Of course, he doesn't even want to settle Rivers State. He doesn't have intention to settle Rivers State. They want to take over. He and Wike, they want to take over Rivers State and do anyhow in Rivers State. That is their plan. So it's not as if they want to settle anything. Nigeria is in autopilot. We pray it doesn't crash under him. Amen. Amen. Uche Samuel says, "Supreme Gangster and Cultist Court of Nigeria has ruled again." Yes, so they have ruled again. No. It is well. Ipalibo Asemebo says, when the governor sends the budget, please let delay taxes under we want to scrutinize until 7 months. Of course, people will react. Also, it shouldn't be the time to say we are setting up this panel, we are inviting governor to come before us, just maybe to belittle him or issue threats and be giving orders to the governor. They are going to do that too. They are going to really, are you sure they are not going to do that? They are going to really do that. They are going to try to humiliate him, belittle him, try to show him that, shebi you are doing gra, this is our own time. They are going to do that to those people. Amewole, he's going to do it. Let us see. Ipalibo says Governor Fubara has demonstrated maturity on this issue by agreeing to implement the decision of the Supreme Court. Exactly. Does he really have a choice? He has to, because they will say, oh, he's trying to commit anarchy if he doesn't obey. So I think he just has to obey. On the other hand, Amewole and the lawmakers of the State Assembly should also toe the same line. The duty of the Speaker is to lead the House to carry out legislation and carry out oversight functions. Let the focus be on that objective only. Saraki was Senate President under Buhari. He was PDP, yet he never frustrated Buhari, though there were issues, but not this bad. It was not this bad. It is well. Akinnawo Olufemi says APC Supreme Court of Nigeria shameless jurisdiction in favour of this good-for-nothing party. Just take note of wicked political future in this country. I salute the courage of Governor Fubara. The battle is a typical example of Russia versus Ukraine. God will fight the battle for Governor Fubara at last. Amen. Amen. Abdulkadir says, given the earlier decision of Supreme Court approving financial autonomy to all local governments elections must be conducted by the National Electoral Commission, arrows the country, otherwise the financial autonomy could only be on paper. It's only on paper now. It's only on paper. The autonomy is not working. Even Okpebolo, has he not denied them? Did you not tell Supreme Court that thing that you people judge is inside your pocket? There's no autonomy anywhere, it's just on paper. That's just it. Peter Meeting says Fubara has taken the first bitter pills of a peaceful approach to solving the Rivers State crisis. He should build trust bridges to meet the expectation of all, irrespective of who he needs to appease. All Rivers State festive elders should stay clear. The governor do the rightful thing. Meet with PK and beg him. As per who? Beg him for what? He's just going to do what the court ordered him to do. He's not going to beg anybody. Why should he go and beg? I beg. It's Godfather that puts him in power. People voted for him. I beg. Let's hear what. You should go and start begging. Begging who? Is it God? It's well. This now is over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.